Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, brother and sister. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nashua Adiela Rosana. My name is 2350191196. I am a second semester pharmacy student at Jenderal Ahmadiyani University. Today, I'd like to present about how to optimize pharmacist consultation service. The topic is very important to discuss because these steps can be a reference for pharmacists to work in the world of health in the future. For today, I've divided my presentation into two parts. The first part is about the roles of the pharmacist, and the second part is our main topic is step to optimize pharmacist consultation service. In my presentation will take maybe 9 or 10 minutes. Well, let's move on to our first station. The roles of the pharmacist. Pharmacists have a very important role as healthcare providers in the healthcare system. The role of the pharmacist is not only limited to providing medicines, but also includes other aspects of healthcare. Here are some of the main roles of pharmacists as healthcare providers. First, drug and drug information providers. 2. Management of drug therapy. 3. Patient counseling and education. 4. Prevention and early detection. 5. Chronic disease management. 6. Health consultation. 7. Drug quality and safety control. 8. Collaboration with the healthcare team. 9. Stock management and drug distribution. 10 is public health program development. Now let's take a look at our main topic. Step to optimize pharmacist consultation service. 1. Personalized and emphatic approach. Listening carefully to the patient needs and condition health creates a strong relationship and allows for a better understanding of the patient health condition. 2. Communication skill training. Pharmacists need to be trained to communicate clearly, use language that patients can easily understand, and create an environment that supports open decision. 3. Emphasis on health education. Providing detailed information on medication, side effects, and correct use is an important part of the consultation. Pharmacists can also provide information on healthy lifestyle, diet, and other living habits. 4. Comprehensive handling of health problems. Pharmacist consultation is not only limited to providing information on medicines. Pharmacists can also help patients deal with health issues more comprehensively, providing advice on chronic disease management, supporting disease prevention, and providing healthy lifestyle guidance. 5. Integration of technology in consultation can be done in ways such as health apps or digital health portals that allow patients to have easy access to their health information and facilitate remote consultation. 6. Efficient time management. It's important to manage consultation time efficiently without compromising on quality. Pharmacists should be able to provide patients with the information they need within the given time limit while maintaining service quality. 7. Relationship development with patient. Building a strong relationship with the patient allows the pharmacist to better understand the patient's medical story, preference, and individual needs. This can help in providing more personalized care. 8. Development of health programs with the community. Pharmacists can develop and implement community health programs to provide health information to specific groups in the community. This may include health counseling, free health checks, or health campaigns. 9. Collaboration with healthcare teams. Pharmacists need to work together with other healthcare teams, such as doctors and nurses, to provide coordinated and holistic care. This collaboration involves the exchange of relevant information and mutual support of the healthcare team. And the last point is provision of accessible consultation service. Making pharmacist consultation service easily accessible, whether in person at the pharmacy, through phone calls, or through digital platforms, can improve accessibility and patient participation in consultation. And that's all I want to share and discuss with you guys. And this is I made the conclusion about my presentation today. With so many roles of pharmacy for supervised medicine and take care of their patient, optimizing pharmacist consultation service must be proven by doing these steps. Personalized and empathic approach, communication skill training, emphasis on health education, comprehensive handling of health problems, integration of technology in consultation, efficiency, efficient time management, relationship development with patient, development of health program with the community, collaboration with healthcare teams, and provision of accessible consultation service, so that the health and welfare of patients in the future is more secure. And yes, now is the Q&A session. If you guys have any question to discuss, feel free to ask me now. Okay, that's all about my presentation today. I'm so glad for your attention. Thank you. See you next time. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.